All right, Tuesday. And I had another one of those wake up late days. Just sleeping lousy, man. Just sleeping lousy. Just not active enough, I think, during the week. So let's hop on to SPX. Oh, I can see the data is slow. Data. Okay, that's a good, strong bar right there on the daily. And you would imagine that people want to be a part of that and they would get involved. But it looks as though I'm checking now. The markets are flat. We're down 3, so that's cool, man. That's cool. I expect maybe a little retrace today to develop a flag. We're hitting resistance at the 200-day moving average. We have a consolidation day and then a bull flag, and that would be pretty powerful. Keep in mind also that we have non-farm payroll on Friday, so you'll start seeing some buying come out. Really, Thursday's probably going to be a quiet day. So my goal here, we almost hit the 45.20. And that's really what you can expect out of a retracement. And the retracement I'm talking about is, you see this move down. I have the Fibonacci on it. Now it's retraced to the 50%. If I'm trading, I would have taken this break, traded it up to the 50%, and then started squeezing my stops. Because at the 50% mark, you get a good chance of it turning around. Half the bulls are profitable. Half the bearish folks are profitable. Half the bulls that will lose the money on the way down have 50% of the money back in. They may decide, okay, that's it. I'm seeing half my my losses back. I'm closing my positions. Or the bears who traded it down at this point are losing 50% of their money, and they may say, okay, that's enough pain. I'm going to take my profits right here. So this is usually a good point that everything turns around. Don't you love my little scenarios? Looking at the weeklies. Yeah, I got data troubles. So, yeah, that's a hammer that triggered, and that's a nice trigger. I mean, that's pretty solid. I would like to see that continue its march up. Still, we're subject to the 50% retrace. The weekly momentum looks like it's turning. That's exciting. Here's the trend line that everybody has been watching that we broke below, and that's this upward trend line. So that was my last. So there's a lot of scenarios that can happen here. This could be a last kiss also. We just give that a little turn around and start the tanking all over again. I still have this risk down here in this red area that is a potential target. We'll see. Or we could do that last kiss, come down, test the bottom, and then continue up. That's an excellent scenario too. So we're going to have to watch it play out and try to make our money where we can. Right now, I'm just going to sit back and see how we treat that 50% line on the daily, and does not count as I'll see. I'll probably take the break of this high and look to trade it up to that 55, which is 30 points. I mean, if I could squeeze 30 points out today, that's cool. That's 1,500 a contract. I'll look for that trade. I'll start squeezing at the 55 and then try to take it up to that midline, and just keep squeezing that stop, seeing if I can chase that baby up. And we'll see where it goes. The fact that we broke the lower Keltner is encouraging to me, and I think the next target, which has always been my target, is the 45, 73, 32. In a nutshell, that is what I'm looking at for the morning. Actually, I just want to take a look at the lower time frame charts and see if I see a trade in there. Yeah, we're sitting on the same thing. Sitting on the same thing. I don't know what I was using that trend line. Oh, okay. So I had that trend line on this down slope right here, and we're already at the 168 retracement. Good indications that this baby should consolidate a little bit. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. Keeping my eye open for all that stuff. I can get rid of that sucker. And look at that mighty pennant we're in. This is the 30-minute. You'll see that same pennant on the daily. Yeah, lost that chart. No, you won't see it on the daily. Not even obvious on the 60. But there's a little pennant going on the 30. We could watch. But that's a good downward trend line. So anyway, I'm bullish above this trend line. That is my call. So I don't know what news is out there today. I don't know that you want me to take a look at that. I'm trying to find my daily. There it is. Bink. No, it was my 30 I lost. Okay, you don't need to watch me do that. Let's just... No, we're not going to jump into that. Okay, so that's it, man. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate it. No rants and raves. Woke up late, fell behind. So this is all you get. Check me out on Twitter at trading_off. And hopefully we can do a couple of trades together. Once again, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Everybody, just be calm and cool. Be at peace when you trade. And good luck today trading.